Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies as well as the non-teaching vacancies from the one of the institute guys, and it is under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. And here with only post graduation the candidates can apply for the assistant professor vacancies, and the freshers can also apply for this one guys. And here the 57,700 rupees per month is the salary for the assistant professor vacancies. And apart from this one, whatever the non-teaching vacancies are there, so any graduates can apply for those one. The salary is 35,400 rupees per month guys. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this notification. And then please give me one like for this video. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here it is the National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, Kolkata, an autonomous institute under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. So from this one, here we got the official notification regarding the recruitment of teaching as well as the non-teaching vacancies guys. So here in the announcement block, you may check down the recruitment for the teaching and the non-teaching post. Okay, so just click on that one guys, and then you will be directed to the recruitment details regarding this notification. Fine. Okay, so it is a notification guys. So in this notification we will see the details regarding this one. So online recruitment applications are invited for a direct recruitment for the following post. So assistant professor, 57,700 plus daily allowance is available, and the tenure is 3 years. Total number of posts are 8 are there. The nature of assignment is contractual. And the next one is technical assistant grade 2 in civil electrical, and next section officer grade 2 secretarial, and section officer grade 1 accounts. Fine. So while coming to this technical assistant 29,200 plus DA, and the section officer grade 2 35,400 plus DA, and section officer 44,900 to 1,40,400 will be available. Okay, and the assistant professor vacancies are 8, and while coming to the remaining vacancies are each and every designation 1 post is there. Fine. And the candidates willing to apply for the above post are advised to visit the institute website. The detailed advertisement along with the instructions and additional information to the candidates for recruitment has been displayed on the institute website itself, and the last date for submission of application form is the 19th July 2021. Okay, and actually this notification released on 19th June 2021 guys. So you may check down the publication date of this recruitment notification, and the last date is 19th July. That means 1 month time is given for the application purpose. And yeah, this table we already gone through. And coming to the qualifications, for assistant professor contractual essential qualification required is engineering or technology BE or BTech or BS, and ME or MTech or MS or integrated MTech in the relevant branch of CSE, electrical, mechanical and civil, with first class or equivalent in any one of the degrees as per the ACT norms. Okay, so it is the essential qualification. So with this qualification you may apply for this post guys, and here the desirable qualifications are also mentioned, but the desirable are not mandatory. So even though you are having the PG in these departments, then you may apply for this post. Okay, and coming to the desirable, experience in technical teacher training, integration of information technology and experience of guiding the project, capacity to undertake the lead sponsored R&D and national international projects handling, any other specialization as decided by the institute. And coming to the technical assistant grade 2 civil, essential qualification is matriculation plus diploma in civil 3 years, and minimum 10 years of experience must be there. And coming with the technical assistant grade 2 electrical, the same thing, matriculation plus diploma in electrical, minimum 10 years of experience must be there. And coming to the section officer grade 2, consolidated pay is 35,400 rupees per month plus DA will be available, and graduation in any discipline, but the experience is required for this one. Experience of 6 years in the relevant field in a pay level of 5 or its equivalent. And next one, section officer grade 1, pay matrix 7, graduate in any discipline with 5 years of experience in relevant field in pay level 6 of its equivalent. Right? And service conditions are given. So for the following post, the vacancies are tenure based and shall not confer any rights for the permanent basis. Okay, and the links for online applications are there. I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, guys. So application form for the teaching post, non-teaching post, and the sample forms. Here the sample forms are also available, so you may check them. And the candidates who wants to apply, the 500 rupees is the fee for the general or the OBC candidates. And here the SBI bank details are also given here, account number as well as the IFSC code of the institute. And 250 rupees of the application fee for the SC, ST and the PWD candidates, right? And the age relaxation is provided here, age limit as well as a relaxation. So assistant professor, there is no age bar, anybody can apply for this one. And coming to the technical assistant grade 2, 35 years. And coming to the section officer grade 2, 40, and section officer grade 1 also 40 years, right? And apart from this one, here the few more points are also given, so you please go through this one, guys. Candidate should upload the scanned copies of the following things: proof of age, educational qualification, copies of experience, certificate of reservation, photograph, and no objection certificate from the current employer or the organization. And coming to the selection process for the assistant professor, only shortlisted candidates as per the merit list based upon the following criteria will be called for the document verification and the interview. Fine. So if you're having the BE or BTech 20% and ME or MTech 20%, integrated MTech will consider as a 40% and PhD additional 10%, publications 10% and interview 40% will be there. So apart from the interview, that means based upon these things, they are going to call you for the interview, and once after interview has been done, then remaining 40% will be allotted to that one, and then the selection will be depends. So coming to the technical assistant grade 2 for the electrical as well as the civil, written test will be there, and the shortlisted candidates will be called for the document verification and the trade test. While coming to section officer grade 1, written test will be there. Okay, only first top 20 candidates for the post in merit prepared on the basis of written test for the document verification. Fine, guys. So these are all the few more things about the written test, and each and every point is given here. So you please go through all these things, guys, and I will provide this link. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.